Okay, I just got done making my first Tensegrity, I don't know what do you call it, art table holder. I gotta find something here. Okay, here we go, here we go. Sorry about that. I'll probably reset the tape. Anyway, let's get it up here. Ooh. That doesn't want that. There we go. There we go. Alright. There we go. Now you can see it's loose when I don't have it on there. And you tighten it up. Now I got Tensegrity. There we go. So that's Tensegrity. You got these two here, or this one string here is pulling like this. So that's pushing this guy down and this guy down against this platform, and these are working against it like that. So what you get is a string that floats up. It looks like kind of looks like they're floating in the middle of nowhere, but that's kind of a. I think it's been around for a while, but it's good for holding my artwork. I can think of a few other things I'm sure that you could use it for, but hey, I like it. Peace out, everybody.